Well, greetings from Ellingson Motorcars here in Rogers, Minnesota. Talk about a good color for a 50s custom. You've got it right here. I'll tell you some details in a minute. Greetings from Ellingson Motorcars here in Rogers, Minnesota on our showroom floor. We have today one of our newest acquisitions, a 1955 Ford Sunliner Custom that I'll tell you what, so tastefully done, you cannot believe how well it was put together. The older gentleman did everything that people would do if you were trying to build a custom. You would nose the front, you would have the fake spotlights, you would have the shaved door handles. If you look on the pictures, it has 1955 Mercury taillights, which were really tastefully done, as well as the antennas, dual antennas that were also put into the fenders just like they did when you were customizing back in the good old days. This car has a 272 Ford V8 in it, got power steering of course, which is really nice on one of these cars. Beautiful interior that absolutely goes with the car, and you would really take a look on our website because we have pictures of it with the top up, a black canvas top that is absolutely stunning. It's one of these things, it's an automatic, it's just a really well done car. Tastefully done, not overly radical. The color is, like I said, really done right. The chrome is even has the big full color, wide white walls with the reproduction Cadillac full wheel covers, which was something that lots of guys did back in the days with dual exhaust. The boot on the car is also really nice. It matches the interior of the car. It even has power windows. I almost forgot that. So if you're looking for a really neat 50s custom, been converted to 12 volt as well, we've got it right here on the showroom floor at Ellingson's in Rogers, Minnesota. You can come and visit us anytime. We're open 10 to 5, Monday through Saturday. Love to have you come in person as soon as we can. The other thing that you can do is you can go to our website, www.ellingsonmotorcars.com. Look at this and close to 100 other additional cars that we have on our sales floor. Everything from customs to bone stockers, to muscle cars, street rods, and some even very classic cars as well, Packards and Cadillacs and the like. So you can also find us on our YouTube channel. We got Instagram and Facebook as well. So lots of places to find interesting stuff. We have a cold start of this thing. It runs like a charm. Everything in this car was done, and it was done very well. So if you're looking for something that not everybody else has, we've got it right here at Ellingson Motorcars in Rogers. Give us a check. You might just find that car of your dreams right here.